adduction, we're gonna integrate abs and we're gonna do crisscrossing motion. I don't know what to call this exercise, but it works good. So we're gonna have Michelle jump down on her back. We'll call it crisscross abs. How about that? So arms nice and wide, stable hands. We're gonna have Michelle lift those legs up at about a 45-degree angle, and then she's gonna open those legs as wide as her adductors will let her go. And then as she exhales, she's gonna bring them in and crisscross them. Nice and wide, crisscrossing the opposite, beautiful. The lower those legs get during the cross, the harder the movement is. You wanna make sure that lower back stays nice and flat to the ground, those abs stay nice and contracted, and you wanna make sure that you're exhaling during your crisscross. So inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Beautiful. If you're having trouble keeping your low back down, another thing you can do with this exercise is bring that head up, chin to the chest, watch those abs, which will put pressure onto that lower back and help it stay down. That's good. That, my friends, is your crisscross abs.